In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's side power window switch on this Ford Ranger. Let's get started. Inside the grab handle, you'll see two Phillips head screws. Now this is released. At the top it'll have two clips that you have to pull out on. And you can get to the back side. And now with those two screws loose, let's remove this panel. And on the back side, you'll find your window switch. It's supposed to be secured with two Phillips head screws. Mine is broken over here, so it only has one. So take your Phillips head screwdriver and remove the screw. This will allow not only the switch, but also the connector to be removed. Looks like the switch wants to come out. That's all right. At this point, we need to remove the connector from it. Gently pull on the whole assembly, separate it. This is what it looks like on the back side, and there's your window switch. Now let's reconnect it. It only goes on one way, so if it doesn't fit, flip it over and make sure you press it in tight all the way down. Resecure it on this panel, put the screw back in, and of course if you had both, you would put both back in. Snug this down just a little bit. It's threading into plastic, and this is what happens when you over tighten it. It snaps off. And now take the panel. It has two clips on the back side that need to line up here and here. Snap those in. And let's put the two screws back that go right on the grab handle. Make sure those are nice and tight, but they are small, so don't over tighten them. Okay, that's all set. And there you have it. The door is properly secured.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.